If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. After sending a purchase order and receiving the items purchased, you must record a bill, check, or expense for a credit card charge to pay for the items. You can easily add open purchase orders to any of these types of transaction forms in QuickBooks Online Plus. This lets you quickly add open purchase orders to your preferred payment option without re-entering the information. Specifically, this lesson shows adding a purchase order to a bill. However, adding a purchase order to a check or expense also follows the same basic steps. First, create the transaction type you want. For example, to create a bill, hover over the plus Create button in the navigation bar, and then click the Bill link under the vendor's heading in the drop-down menu to open the bill window. From the vendor drop-down, which is called Payee in the other forms, select the vendor with the open purchase order. After selecting a vendor with an open purchase order, an Add to Transaction Form pane appears at the right side of the window, where transaction form is the type of transaction form you opened. In this example, it says Add to Bill, for instance. This pane lists all open purchase orders for this vendor. Clicking the Add All button in the pane adds all the items in the pane to the current transaction. To only add specific purchase orders to the transaction, click the Add link within the purchase order in the pane to add. To the right of the Add link is an Open link. Clicking the Open link opens the purchase order. This lets you ensure you are adding the correct purchase order to the transaction. After clicking either the Add All button or the Add link, the item or items are added to the item details list within the transaction window. You can then make any other changes to the transaction form as needed to complete it as you normally would. You can then save it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.